Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove Google Chrome notification on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Okay, some users prefer to have more control over the notifications they receive. And then by removing Chrome notifications, user can customize their notification settings to only receive alert for a specific website or type of content that are most relevant to them. And then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can scroll down. And then you can select apps menu. Well, after that, you can type in the search field, Chrome. And then you can select this one. Well, and then in this page, you can choose notifications. And then here you can activate Deliver Quietly if you still want to receive Chrome notification in quiet mode. But if you want to permanently remove the notification, you can press this button. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove Google Chrome notification on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.